Hello students, now let us discuss about the next topic of chapter 8, cell structure and function, and the topic name is cell number. Unicellular cells. The single celled organisms are called unicellular organisms, just like amoeba, and multicellular organisms, the organisms which have more than one cell, are called multicellular organisms. Example: male. Cell structure. Basic cell contains cell membrane. The outermost membrane of the cell is called the cell membrane. Protoplasm. Everything that is present in the cell except cell membrane comes under protoplasm. Protoplasm is living material of cell or the entire content of living cells including cytoplasm, and nucleus is known as protoplasm. Protoplasm is further divided into two parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane. The outermost body of the cell is called cell membrane. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. It is present in both plant and animal cell. This membrane is living, thin and delicate. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that allows the transmission of a very few molecules across it. The plasma membrane or cell membrane is porous and allows the movement of substances or materials in and out of the cell. Functions of cell membrane. Cell membrane provides support to cell. It is helpful in exchange of materials. It gives shape to the cell. Cell wall. It is outer to cell membrane and it is dead and freely permeable. All substances can pass through it. It is thick layer and present only in cells of plants. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, but in fungus, cell is made up of chitin. In addition to cell wall, cell membrane is also required by the plants for protection against variations in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. Cells can be observed in the leaf peel of Tardescantia, Elodia or Royo. Functions of cell wall. It provides mechanical support to cell. It allows all the substances to pass through it. It maintains the shape of the cell. This is the diagram of protoplasm. It is the living material of cell. So dear student, in today's video classes we read about function of cell membrane, protoplasm, cell number, etc. And our next topic is cytoplasm. So thanks.